Go.
Yeah. Jen and Suko teaching you today. Where y'all at? Grab that stethoscope. We learning today. Let's listen.
Breathe.
First things first, let's start with clear. Air moving smooth, nothing to fear.
Breathe.
Vesicular sound, slow and low. Healthy lungs everywhere you go.
Breathe.
Bronchial sounds, near the trach. Know your landmark, stay on track. Vesicular, vascular, in between. That's the sound, right in the scene. Front to back, side to side. Compare both lungs, don't let it slide. Tell your patient to take a breath. Assessment skill saves lives. Yeah.
Breathe.
Wheezing, whistle. High and tight. Airway narrowing. This is the right. Oh my God. I can't breathe. COPD. That wheezing sounds like a clue to me.
Breathe.
Crackers. 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 Pop. Snap. Crack. Boom. Fluid building in the lung room. How your heart feeling?
Breathe.
Heart failure. Pneumonia too. Crackles giving a warning to you.
Breathe.
Bronchi, rumble, low and deep. Mucus hanging where it's not supposed to be. Selling the cough. Now listen again. Maybe that sound will disappear then. Strider, loud. That's no joke. Upper airway, starting to choke. Call for help. Move with speed. Patient safety is what they need. Floor rub, rough like sand, inflamed pore. Understand? Every sound has a long clue for you. Nurses, you know what to do. Save that patient. Get that breathing right. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Breathe. Breathe.
And we out.
Breathe.